Hello everyone, my name is Afusa. Today I'm just going to show you my trade that I took today. As you can see, I took GBPNZD. Okay, so I wait for the price to give me a more pattern, then I took the trade. So I'm waiting for the price to see if we can break this low, come down. As you can see, it's creating a structure. But I don't know if I feel that it creates a W structure here. I would definitely be exiting the market. Okay, let me just show you my account. Yes, here's my account that I'm trading right now. So I'm already my account I'm trading right now. I'm already 270. Okay, it's a challenge. Okay, so it's a what's it called fundedness. Okay, so let me show you the one that I took in the money. So I took EU in the morning. So sorry, my computer is just. So I took this the EU. I took in the morning. I took this straight in the morning. Then I still took GU. Okay, took GU in the morning. This one was yesterday. So this one is the one I took this morning. Okay, so those are the three trades that I took. I took two trades in one of my FTMO account and also in a foreignness. So I trade in the morning. So I'm still trading foreignness to see if I can be able to get 2%. So as you can see, so still holding the market. So this is how I trade. So if you want me to teach you how I use my strategy to be trading every day to make money for myself, please let me know and leave it on the description below. So I hope to see you soon at the bye bye.